Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 13th June 2024. In this video, we will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. For daily current affairs video, please subscribe this channel and bell the notification icon.
Question number 1. What is India's rank in the Global Gender Gap Index 2024?
Answer is India's rank 129th. India has slipped 2 places to the 129th position out of the 146 nations in the Global Gender Gap Index 2024. Iceland retained its top position, followed by Finland in second, Norway in third, New Zealand in fourth, Sweden in fifth. India's overall gender gap closure has slightly declined to 64.1% in 2024 from 64.2% in 2023. Indian women earn 40 rupees for every 100 rupees earned by men.
Question number 2. Where was the 8th edition of the Japan-India Maritime Exercise, JIMEX 24, held?
Answer is Yokosuka. The 8th edition of the Japan-India Maritime Exercise, JIMEX 24, started at Yokosuka, Japan. Indian Navy's indigenously built stealth frigate, INS Shivalik, is participating in the JIMEX 24 exercise. The Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force, JMSDF, is represented by its guided missile destroyer, JS Yugiri. JIMEX was started in 2012 in Japan. The 7th JIMEX 23 was hosted by the Indian Navy off Vishakhapatnam in July 2023.
Question number 3. Who became the fastest Indian in the men's 5,000-meter race?
Answer is Gulveer Singh. In athletics, India's Gulveer Singh won the silver medal in the men's 5,000-meter race at the Portland Track Festival High Performance Meet in Portland, USA on 10th June. With this, he became the fastest Indian in the men's 5,000-meter race. He set a new national record with a timing of 13 minutes 18.92 seconds. This timing surpassed the previous record of 13 minutes 19.30 seconds set by Avinash Sehgal in 2023.
Question number 4. FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup 2025 will be organized in which country?
Answer is India. India is set to host the FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup in December 2025 as decided by the Executive Board of the International Hockey Federation, FIH. It will be the first time that a Junior Hockey World Cup will be comprising as many as 24 teams. The last edition of the FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup took place in 2023 in Malaysia. Germany won their 7th title, beating France 2-1 in the final. India had finished 4th after a defeat to Spain.
Question number 5. Who was appointed as the head coach of the Indian men's national basketball team?
Answer is Scott Fleming. The Basketball Federation of India brought back Scott Fleming as the head coach of the Indian senior men's basketball team. Notably, this is the second time when Fleming has been selected as the head coach of the team. Fleming, also the head coach of the Indian basketball team between 2012 to 2015. Under Fleming, India won gold at the South Asian Championship in 2014 and 2015, gold at the 2014 Lusophonia Games.
Question number 6. Mohan Charan Majhi taken oath as the new Chief Minister of?
Answer is Odisha. Mohan Charan Majhi has taken oath as the 15th Chief Minister of Odisha on 12 June 2024. He was elected to the Odisha Legislative Assembly from Keonjhar in the 2024 Odisha Legislative Assembly election. He has succeeded Naveen Patnaik, who served as the 14th Chief Minister of Odisha from 5th March 2000 to 12 June 2024. Also, Kanak Vardhan Singh Deo and Pravati Parida were taken oath as Deputy CM of Odisha.
Question number 7. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Army Staff?
Answer is Upendra Dwivedi. The central government on 11 June 2024 appointed Vice Chief of Army Staff Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi as the next Army Chief. He currently serves as the 46th Vice Chief of Army Staff. The term of Upendra Dwivedi will start on 30th June 2024 by succeeding General Manoj Pandey. General Manoj Pandey is a serving 4-star officer in the Indian Army who is the 29th and the current Chief of the Army Staff.
Question number 8. Lieutenant General Waqaruzzaman has been selected as the Army Chief of which country?
Answer is Bangladesh. Lieutenant General Waqaruzzaman was on 11th June named Bangladesh's next Army Chief for a 3-year term and will assume charge on 23rd June, the Defence Ministry said. He would succeed General S.M. Shafiuddin Ahmad after the end of the latter's 3-year tenure. Commissioned as an infantry corps officer in 1985, Zaman is now the Bangladesh Army's incumbent Chief of General Staff, CGS.
Question number 9. Which country's Vice President Solos Chilima died in a plane crash?
Answer is Malawi. Malawi's Vice President Solos Chilima has been killed in a plane crash along with 9 other passengers, the country's President Lazarus Chakwera announced on 11 June 2024. The aircraft went missing after it failed to land at the Mzwazidwe International Airport, about 380 kilometers or 240 miles to the north of the capital, Lilongwe. Solos Klaus Chilima served as Vice President of Malawi from 2014 to 2019 and again from 2020 until his death in 2024.
Question number 10. Which state government will invest 100 crore rupees in Maharana Pratap Tourist Circuit?
Answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma announced a 100 crore rupees investment to develop the Maharana Pratap Tourist Circuit during the inauguration of Maharana Pratap Jayanti celebrations in Udaipur. The 484th birthday of Maharana Pratap of Mewar was celebrated on 9th June 2024 according to the Hindu calendar. Rana Pratap Singh, also known as Maharana Pratap, was born on 9th May 1540 in Kumbhalgarh, Rajasthan. He was the 13th king of Mewar.
Question number 11. Who was awarded with the Best Conduct of Business Regulator Award in Asia Pacific by Asian Banker?
Answer is SEBI. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, was awarded the title of Best Conduct of Business Regulator in the Asia Pacific region by the Asian Banker on 7 June 2024. This prestigious award recognizes SEBI's significant role in enhancing the regulatory framework for securities markets in India. The award was received by Kamlesh Chandra Varshne, a whole-time member of SEBI.
Question number 12. Who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of PNB MetLife India?
Answer is Sameer Bansal. PNB MetLife India Insurance has appointed Sameer Bansal as the new Managing Director and CEO effective 1st July. Bansal succeeds Ashish Srivastava, who has been appointed Managing Director for MetLife Inc's Global Shared Services Team in India, based in New York. PNB MetLife India Insurance Company Limited, PNB MetLife, was established in 2001.
Question number 13. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of the Competition Commission of India, CCI?
Answer is Inderpal Singh Bindra. Indian Revenue Service Officer Inderpal Singh Bindra will soon take charge as the Secretary of the Competition Commission of India, CCI. Bindra will replace IRS Officer Anupma Anand, who has resigned within 8 months of joining the regulator. The Competition Commission of India, CCI, was established on 14 October 2003. It became fully functional in May 2009 with Dhanendra Kumar as its first chairman.
Question number 14. Who was appointed as the chairman of the Cellular Operators Association of India, COAI?
Answer is Abhijit Kishore. Abhijit Kishore, Chief Operating Officer of Vodafone Idea, has been appointed as the chairman of Cellular Operators Association of India, COAI. While Rahul Vats, Chief Regulatory Officer of Bharti Airtel, will serve as the Vice Chairman of COAI. The Cellular Operators Association of India, COAI, was constituted in 1995 as a registered non-governmental society.
Question number 15. Which university decided to return a 16th century bronze sculpture of Saint Tirumankai Alvar to India?
Answer is Oxford University. Oxford University's Ashmolean Museum has decided to return a 16th century bronze sculpture of Saint Tirumankai Alvar to India following a formal request from the Indian government. The 60-centimeter tall statue, believed to have been stolen from a temple in Tamil Nadu, was acquired by the museum in 1967 from Sothibai's auction house.
Question number 16. GAIL will set up India's largest ethane cracker project in which state?
Answer is Madhya Pradesh. GAIL India plans to set up India's largest ethane cracker project in Madhya Pradesh with an investment of 60,000 crore rupees. The project, which aims to produce 1,500 kilotons per annum, signifies a move to expand its petrochemical operations and strengthen its position in the industry. The project will be situated in Ashta, district Sehore, spanning approximately 800 hectares. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.